Hey guys, welcome back to the show. I hope your day or evening has been good so far. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell button. A lot of things have been going on with the Bitcoin price today, but we'll get into it after we look at the general market in crypto. Now, as you can see, we have a lot of green today. Just some coins that are doing worse, like Anchor, Dom, Maps, BLZ, Bell, but very few ones. The rest are looking good. And the main ones are doing even better. Ethereum up 10%. This is the daily time frame. Sol, Sheeb, XTZ up 9%, Ape 15. Yeah, in general, it's looking good. Much better than yesterday. Cardano 17%, Aave 24%. So anybody who's been buying these past days or even last week should have a happy portfolio now. So yeah, let's go to Bitcoin. So we are back in the channel. We've broken out. Like yesterday I explained, my bearish opinion would go away short term if we had a 4-hourly close above 30,200, somewhere here. We did, and we closed this candle at 30,348. So we broke through the heart line. We kind of bounced off it 1 and 2 times here, and then we continue to rally to the upside. The short-term moving average is kind of trying to go above the midterm, but this is on the 4-hourly. Volume is fine. So yeah, like 5 days ago or something, I was saying that we are gonna break down probably, and we did, all the way to 28, and we broke back up. We have a weekly green candle. It's the first green candle. Let me hide everything. after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9 straight red weeks. Which is good, but to keep this momentum, we have to have a green week, not only one green day. So the whole week, if the week is a good one, this is gonna be a nice green weekly candle. We don't have anything stopping us. We can go, okay, we do here. If we look, at those points, just a moment. Oh yeah, we did also break out of this descending triangle in a very clean way. It does look like we never retested this line as support if we look at the daily, but if we zoom in the time frame, I think it was the 1 hourly chart. You can see we kind of broke out. We had a green candle. We retested this line. We did, and then we bounced out. And the volume was okay. And I also saw one other thing. Let me just remove the drawings. This right here, we have a regular divergence right here, which indicates trend reversal. If it holds like this and doesn't go lower than here, this little part right here, if it doesn't go lower than this is a sign of bullishness. So it is indicating a trend reversal, but it's not complete yet. So we will see what the price tells us. We will see what happens. But it looks that way so far. But it's not complete yet, so yeah. The daily MACD is not looking that good. We kind of have to go all the way above 39.7 or 39, over 39, somewhere there, for us not to roll over back down. but so far so good. But if you look here, if we look at this, there is kind of nothing stopping us. There hasn't been any resistance in a good while. There's no resistance here anywhere. It was looking bad when we broke out of this channel, but right now we're in it. We broke out of it. So yeah, we'll get back to Bitcoin soon. Let's look at the other markets, Ethereum. So I did say that we had to break above 1915, close at least a 4 hourly above it, and as you can see, just perfectly closed right above it here. The close here, you can see up here, the close on this candle was at 1917. And this was what I was talking about yesterday. And after that, it was a nice bullish engulfing candle built. The volume was poor yesterday, but it's growing today. It's fine. Question is, are we in profit taking levels now, or is this thing not over yet? If we do not close above 2090, I think it's over. If we don't get above this line, the way this MACD is building up, RSI is not oversold, it's bullish. Let me check the Bitcoin RSI. Okay, 4 hourly is kind of oversold now. Daily's just beginning to touch the 50 line. And if you look closely, we're kind of going above it. So it's going to be interesting to see the close. Yeah, it's been looking good today. Back to Ethereum. Yeah, compared to Bitcoin, it's not oversold yet. Still bullish. More bullish than Bitcoin, actually. But I think we're on critical levels right now. You'll see what happens. 46 minutes left till the daily candle. And let's look at Cardano, maybe. I haven't had a look at it in a good while. ADA. Oh, hang on. Just checking it. Let's see now. Cardano. Okay. Yeah, Cardano should bounce here. This is the 88.6 level. Yeah, buyers could have been here, or buyers could be waiting here too. And this was also bullish. This was the MACD, and the price action was indicating trend reversal. So that was probably a good buy here or here. And if Bitcoin doesn't decide to go the other way around, we could try and test. Well, first we have to break 0.6. But anyway, around somewhere around 0.7 to, I don't know, but we could go somewhere here, profit taking level somewhere here. We do have some type of resistance coming in here, but it does look good, Cardano, right now. Bitcoin dominance has been ripping it. It's been looking good. Monthly is just starting with the positive MACD. This doesn't look good, but we are starting to turn positive. Total market cap is down. Total DeFi market cap is holding out. Let's look at XRP. So if we break 0.44, we can go higher. Our side is not so super bearish anymore. MACD is, I mean, not the best. It's just positive right now, but and this is not looking good either unless we break 0.42, 0.44. We are trying to break out of the midterm moving average right now on the 4-hourly. And Luna, Luna point 2, new Luna, version 2 Luna. Let's look at that one. Okay, this is not it. This is not the Luna I'm looking for. Here it is. Whoa, that was okay. Yeah, I forgot. I thought it was a gap. It is a gap, but not that type of gap. It's just the chart is mixed up with the classic Luna, that's why. So it looks like it jumped, it gapped up. But anyway, new Luna is up 73% today. It's $9.8. I really don't think it should be worth valued more than around $10. Just like I said last time, even $10 is too much considering everything that has happened and what Duquan has done. I don't even think the chain is like fully. I mean, they're not done with fully building everything, but people are still buying. I don't know what. And then the classic Luna, it's also up like 27% today. Right now, it was up much more earlier, and it's not looking. I mean, look, this thing is not looking so healthy. I think burning is going on. They were gonna burn uh, classic Luna for a whole month daily using trading fees. Uh, this was MaxC, that exchange that was gonna do that. So I think we're gonna see some price action, but I mean it's still kind of dead compared to where it was just a month ago. And I expect this one just to Luna 2 thing. This Luna 2, I don't think it's gonna do so well. I really think that the community, which are the retail investors, gave a lot of value to Luna too because they were a strong community, and right now most seem to be against Luna too and against what Duquan has been doing lately. Let's look at Atom. I like these bottoms, but let's see. Just a moment. Market has been closed. Stock market has been closed. It was a red day, but Nasdaq did look good the last time I checked. It's gonna be interesting to see how it opens tomorrow, and we'll see if Bitcoin follows. But altcoins have been following Bitcoin. Just a moment, I'm just looking at the chart. So, so this is Ave avalanche. Most altcoins have been looking pretty decent. I mean, Bitcoin pumped 7% and they pumped 2 digits. So avalanche, we are at buying levels here. It did fall below, but it's okay. It's at that area and people bought. We have low RSI too. The lowest since December of last year. Golden pocket, wick, people taking profits. Yeah, it was looking good. We could go all the way to 140. There is no resistance here, nothing stopping us until somewhere here, 138. But first we have to get out of this cloud as well. Break through this resistance here too. Though we are at profit taking levels. So buying here maybe is not so nice. A good thing. Smart one. Smart move. Back to Bitcoin. This hard line has held well. It was some type of resistance before a few times here and here and here, but it held as support this time. Let's have a look at US oil. I forgot to have a look at it yesterday. It's looking pumpish. It is looking pumpish. We broke out of this ascending triangle and opened at 117, so it's time to go. Time to go. This was just a beautiful one. Not beautiful for the pockets of the people, but a beautiful chart. Weekly, it's looking nice. I think we're gonna break this high very soon. Interesting. Let's get back to Bitcoin. If we look at the 12 hourly chart, you could see we're like starting off this line here and going up, and the short-term moving average is acting as some type of support now, which is good. It's a good sign. Yeah, this is turning to the positive side. I mean, the whole price action combined with this and combined with this, we are in bullish territory in the 12-hour chart. It's just the 4-hour is like, so we could have, I don't know. We'll see how the candle closes, but we could have a little bit of a pullback. Maybe just to retest. To retest maybe somewhere here soon. Yeah, we could go all the way here. If we break out of this long-term moving average, we could go higher, but we'll see. I'm just tweeting out that I'm live. Hold on. Yeah, 15 minutes left. This is gonna be an interesting candle. A very interesting one. What I'm thinking is since we already at the buying levels here, people bought somewhere here, many probably, because this trend line, like I said, starts all the way here and it's been holding. I could remove the indicators so it's clearer. Okay, maybe not. Let me take, there you go. As you can see, it's been holding since March of 2020. And then it held again in September 2020. And we held again. So this could be a very important support line. But if we close the daily above this channel where we are, we're going higher. 34.5, I mean even 36. We could try and test another trend line that's been holding that I drew from 2021 July, and after we broke that one we did fall hard. From that place we fell 24%. I was keeping an eye on this trend line then, so the minute we broke it and we opened a new daily below it, it was time to get out. And this is why I said yesterday that somewhere after 35,000 I thought it's probably time to exit. I mean, if you didn't exit here, exiting here is not so smart. Then I don't know, I'd probably just wait in that case instead of exiting here, even though I still think we could go lower. But now you might have a chance to exit with less loss, so better than exiting here. Instead of shorting here, you'd rather short here, of course. So 15, less than 15 minutes left. Just 12 minutes left for a daily close. Let's look at Ethereum. Look, we have to close above this line, 1,917. If we do, we're not done. We're probably gonna go higher. We could retest again this line, but it's okay. Ethereum is looking more bullish than Bitcoin at the moment. We're not oversold on the 4-hourly compared to Bitcoin. If you look at this, yeah. Guys, if there is any altcoin you would like me to have a look at, just write in the comment section and I can check it out. Link. Good old link. Have we bottomed out? Let me just remove this. Is this a wick? Yes. Oh my god. Anyways, link, link, link. I'm just gonna check. Wow, okay. Link is turning bullish as well. If you ask me why, look at the MACD and look at the price action here. Not looking bad. Link is not looking bad. Let me. This is the thing. I have another screen where I do my charting as well. That's why sometimes I'm quiet. Let's see now, link. I like how it's looking. Especially the weekly. We could have a little bounce. Just a moment. Yeah, we're probably gonna go higher in link. We do have support at around $4, worst case scenarios, but we can't be speaking about that because until we break, just to be a bit more on the safe side, these areas. As long as we are above this line, we're good. Now the important thing for us to continue is to break 7.5, 7.7. We break 7.7, we're gonna go higher. How high? Let's see now. First target would be, oh, we are on it right now. People might be taking profit short term, but otherwise First target would be, yeah, breaking $9. Let's just say 8.8, 9, between 8.8 and maybe a bit higher. We could even see 10, 10.7. There's nothing holding us, but we have to break this level here first, 7.9 level. We do that, it could go higher, of course, if Bitcoin doesn't decide to go the other way and drag everything else with it again. That's nice. We went down, bounced, retest, going up again. It looks good. Let's keep an eye on Bitcoin. It is so important that we open above this channel, above 31.3, to hold this momentum that we have right now. 4 minutes left. Luna is still ripping it. I mean, the new Luna. So confusing with the names and everything. But classic Luna is also fine for a coin that's been going through a lot of things. A lot of pump and dump going on. But once upon a time, it wasn't that type of coin. Phantom. Phantom looking good. We have some more upside left. Was this at the buy level? Let me check it out. Oh, sorry. Yes, indeed it was. So people bought here, couldn't go all the way to the 88. Yeah, people bought at the golden level, as you can see here. That's why it bounced up from here. And we still have a bit left to go. So I don't want to miss Bitcoin. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. This daily close, it's Monday. The week has just started. So better to keep an eye on this. It's been a while since we crossed the 50 line on the RSI. It's been more than 2 months ago now. around 2 months ago. So breaking out of it is good. So after all, maybe bottom is in, but I do not think so. I still think this is a relief rally compared to because of 9 straight weeks of red candles. 30 seconds left. Let's see. It's soon time. We are about to close above the channel. Nice one. And we've closed. New daily candle is here. It's gonna be, I think it's gonna be a nice one, especially if we retest this. If we retest 31.3, 31.4, it's okay. It's fine. The important thing is we do not close anywhere below this channel. But this is good. Nice kind of bullish engulfing candle. Let's look at the 4-hourly. We could go down a little bit or go sideways from here. It's okay. Still, as long as we don't get back inside this channel, it's okay. So maybe now this line can hold as support, can work as support, just like this hard line did here. But I'm expecting a short-term pullback, a mini short-term pullback on the 4-hourly, of course. But daily is looking good. Yeah, so that's it. Let's look at Ethereum. Nice, very nice, very nice. We're back above this line. We've closed above 1,917 on the daily. Awesome. If we retest it, it's no problem. It's okay. Oh, we're holding this moving average as well. Midterm. We're bouncing off it perfectly. Look, I like this. Bulls are fighting hard. I like this. Yeah. Gonna be a nice relief rally. But we have to be careful so we don't get trapped in case it's a bull trap. But right now, it's looking good. And we will let the market tell us what to do next. Not bad, Bitcoin, not bad at all. I wasn't convinced when we were here, not just yet. So I did say yesterday on my stream that we had to close above it and probably retest it. You can't see that we did retest this on the daily, but if you look closer on the hourly, you could see that we did. I mean, we went above it, had a candle here. We went back down, tested it kind of twice, one, two, and then flipped. Or once. I wonder where this opened, 29.33. Yeah, we opened here, tested it again, and then we bounced. That's giving you confirmation that, okay, you can go long here, short term. I mean, since then, it's been up $2,900, 9.89%. That's a good chunk. Lovely descending triangle. I thought we were gonna break to the downside since, well, we've been testing it so many times, but this candle here yesterday kind of started changing my opinion, especially when I saw that we opened above this line here. Then, yeah, like I said, you can't stick to your analysis when the trend is telling you something else. I mean, you shouldn't be flip-flopping, but try to feel the trend and read the chart and see which way it's siding towards. I mean, long term, I am bullish on Bitcoin, but short term right now, not that much. Mini short term, I mean, mini short term, I am I am bullish right now because price is saying so, analysis is saying so. MACD on the daily is not saying so. That's why I'm not very bullish. And we are oversold on the 4 hourly. We are above 80. Would I long here? No. Would I long here? No. Would I long here? After that, after you see that we broke above, tested, and bounced up, yes. I mean, on this test, I can imagine longing here on this test when I see that it starts passing this level. Yeah, of course. MACD was building to the positive side, but this, that's what I said yesterday. This action on the MACD and this action on the MACD. What did we learn now? I've said it like I think 10 times only in this show so far. Well, I mean, the last show yesterday's. This and this equals trend continuation. And what was the trend before that? It was going up. So divergence was saying it's gonna continue, and we did hard. But if we pull back and retest somewhere here, it's nothing strange with that. It's normal. And I think we should be doing so now. We are at the just a moment. But yeah, we passed the 23.6. We are at the 38.2 level. I mean, when we couldn't break out of this one, this line here, it was a bad sign. But now we're out of it. So let's see if we can break out this one right here. But I think we will. I think we will, but I don't know. I don't make the market. I just read charts and analyze. So I don't think the bear trend is over, but because I don't know, like the bottom, I don't know, it just okay, these are my reasons just to clarify why I think that we are kind of not done yet. Alts are still pumping, people are still buying like crazy. People do not feel like they're wrecked yet, even though all this stuff happened with Luna. People are still throwing money into altcoins. So I'm thinking there should be more capitulation. So yeah, before we see a rally to the upside, that's why I'm like careful. Bitcoin. Wow. Look at look at look at Luna. The Quants Luna 2.0. I need to refresh the site. I haven't seen it since yesterday either. Not on Bybit. I think it's stuck. Ah, so Luna. Probably not in the top 10, I forgot. Right, that was the old days, a month ago, old days. So $10, $10 right now. Wait, I'm confused. Why is it showing 9 here? I thought I had, just a moment. Luna, Huobi? I don't get it. All the charts are so mixed up when it comes to Luna. They keep on changing the ticker, so I'm confused. I don't know which is which. Oh, pullback happening. Pullback happening. Just as I spoke about it, like what, 5 minutes ago? So pullback is happening. Okay, where can we pull back is the question. Where do we have support? Let's see now. Wow, we could, okay, okay, we could pull all the way to 20, all the way back to the, but if that happens, that's not good. Wait, hold up. Let's look at the short shorter time frame. Okay, we can get back around the hard line or this short-term moving average here. So we can probably get in the channel again, but it's very important that the daily doesn't close above inside it. So if there's gonna be any chance of a continuation here, but I think we're gonna see the pullback now because hourly is implying it. MACD and RSI both and the price action together is all saying we're gonna see a little pullback now this time. This indicates trend reversal this part here. But this one is not done. This part of the MACD is not done yet. So, but that's what it's indicating so far. So unless this goes as high as this one here, which I don't think will happen right now. So yeah, expect a pullback right now on the hourly. So let's look. I'm trying to find the new Luna sticker because I can't seem to. Could it be on Kraken maybe? No, Kraken's also the old one. So I don't know where we can find it. Luna. Um, yeah, no, not this one and not this one. I mean, come on. How is it impossible to find a chart of Luna alone, not mixed with classic Luna? Nope, not this one either. Okay, I think I found one. Nope, not this one either. Wow. Okay, I think I give up. I give up. I can't find anything that's just Luna 2 alone in the chart. It's mixed up with classic Luna, so it's yeah. But it's up 56% already on the daily. That is new Luna, Luna 2.0, version 2 Luna. People call it so many things, different things. So just to be clear, this is not classic Luna. This is Luna 2.0. I mean, we could we could fall all the way back below the channel because I do see the golden pocket level there. But if that happens, we could also just continue down. So it's very, very important that, like, it's best we stay above this channel for a little bit of hopium. It's best. A lot of people are wondering if the bottom is in. Trend line, that trend line I showed you says yes, but we can't be sure yet because this doesn't make me feel safe. And if this MACD part goes above this one, then I'm definitely not gonna feel safer that we have bottomed out. Plus, like I said, I don't feel like we've seen capitulation yet. Look at that. It's trying to turn down. Still above 50 though. Yeah, of course, since I think we haven't seen the bottom yet in Bitcoin. Um, because of that, and because I don't feel like there's fear in the market yet. I mean, after everything that has happened to Luna, now Luna 2.0 is still being traded like crazy. So I don't think there's fear in the market yet. So no capitulation yet. And MACD weekly is fine. Weekly is actually fine if we continue to keep this momentum. Like if we keep on getting weaker on the MACD here, and we see those pink bars instead of the red strong bars. Okay, yeah, then chance we will see some upside. Otherwise, because of all the reasons I just told you, I think we're still, yeah, in my opinion, we could still be in a bear market, but we're seeing a bit of a relief rally. So it could be a bull trap because of that. You see my combo? That was 3 combos because of all those reasons. I do think at the end it could trap people who buy a bit higher. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you can get notifications sent to you before I go live. And comment and engage. Let me know your ideas. I noticed that 65% of my viewers haven't subscribed. I don't know why, but maybe some of you watch it on the mobile, maybe some of you are not YouTube members, but push that subscribe button. Just push it. Just press it. I think I've been on daily, streaming daily, past week since I've started, and I'm gonna try to keep it that way. It's not easy preparing and getting ready and making time because there's a lot of other things to life too. But I'm gonna try to be here so people can, yeah, watch the market with me. so we can share some opinions. Right, Anchor. What happened to Anchor? Oh, we couldn't break out of this level. We went back down. Hmm, not strange. Not strange at all. Okay, right now, this moment, the only coin that's up 2 digits is Luna. It's crazy. Of all the coins out there, the one that has put people through hell is the one. Wow. Yeah, so yeah, I don't think the bottom is in. There we go. For this reason, we do have some type, maybe we can have some type of support here, but nah, according to what I'm seeing, we could come all the way to the heart line again, or this short-term moving average too. Yeah, the pullback was obvious. I mean, we just like are stuck at this 38.2 level. No, it would be perfect if we just, touch this line and then bounce out of it. Oh, Yeah, pullback happening right in front of our eyes. Nice. We went sideways here, but we had this heart line as support. And now we will see if I'm just gonna remove this one. If this is gonna hold us support somewhere here. Guys, I will be right back. Just gonna grab a bottle of water and we'll be right back. Please engage. Let me know your opinions or if you have any questions for me. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you don't miss any streams when I go live. And let me know if I should have some background music or if the silence is okay for you guys. I'll be back anyways in a minute or two. I'll leave this chart open. And I'm back, guys. I hope you can hear me good. So we are having that pullback I just spoke about, like probably 20 minutes ago now. Ten minutes is not indicating weakness on the MACD, but look at this ugly candle here. This one was just bad. This candle was bad. Even on the 10 minute, it should tell you get out. Look at the volume, look at the candle. It's not an inverted hammer, and it's not a gravestone doji either. What could this be? It's kind of a shooting star, which is bearish. After this price action right here. We did open here, we closed here, and this is the low. So that is how you know it's a shooting star. And if you guys would like more of those more shorter videos about some candlesticks and trend lines and stuff, just let me know and I'll try to put them out. I was planning on doing so anyways, but maybe not soon. But if it's wished for from many people, then I'm probably gonna do it. I'm gonna do it as fast as I can, ASAP. So anyway, we are in the pullback moment right now. It's expected. It would be perfect if we just touch this line and then bounce, continue go to the upside. But MACD is still looking bad. Daily MACD is still looking bad. I keep on saying that it still looks bad. 4 hourly is sold. Ethereum is holding. Okay, now we're below that moving average. It was kind of using as support when the candle just started. This is the thing. If Bitcoin pulls back, 100% this is gonna pull back too. No question there. But right now, it's doing better than Bitcoin. We're still above this area, price area, and that's important to stay afloat, to stay, above it. It's important. But MACD is not okay. Okay, if we do not go higher than again, if we do not go higher than 2090, let's say if we do not close a 4 hourly candle above this area here, we are gonna go down. We're gonna have a pullback. In that case, we're gonna have a pullback. Until then, let's watch what happens. Bitcoin is far away from the descending triangle, far, far away right now. Thanks to this candle. Hmm. What is Bitcoin trying to do? Yeah, this pullback was expected, so this 10-minute chart was, yeah, telling us a pullback was coming. Well, it's actually difficult to have viewers, I see. I don't know, it's because I don't know, maybe because I haven't been very super like pushing this channel and tagging a lot of things with hashtags, but I'm trying to spread it on Twitter at least. And I do want to attract the right type of people. I mean, if you search for it, you'll find it. But I don't want to just talk for the sake of getting viewers or subscribers. I really want to have the right type of community watching the show. People who want to like learn and share knowledge and grow together. So Bitcoin is having this pullback. I'm just I'm just interested to see if we are gonna break back into this channel or if we would use it as support, retest, and bounce, which would be the best scenario. Volume is still kind of but of course much better than this and this and this, but not better than this one. Why I expected the pullback was because, yeah, you see, I said we were oversold here. The hourly was showing us bearish divergence, so very expected, very expected pullback. Nothing strange about this. It's good we broke out of this channel. Now we have to stay above this channel. Because if we break down again, yeah, we are in a good trading range. You remember that range where we kept on doing this? Down, up, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. I mean, this has been going on for a good while. Buy, sell, and then buy. Last time to sell here, and then we just, yeah, we broke the channel. So if we get back, we could come all the way to the hard line. But it's a problem if we go below it again and we don't hold inside this range. Yeah, Nasdaq. Let's have a look at Nasdaq. It is looking okay. Very nice. I mean, Bitcoin could follow. This is bullish. This is bullish. This is the 4-hourly. Let's look at Oil. Oh yes. Oh my God. It's gonna go higher. This is not done. This is why I like trend lines. And ascending triangles and descending triangles do a lot, especially in the right markets. When the market follows, when the when these triangles, well, if you, I wouldn't be able to draw this if it was in a bear market. Simple as that. Bitcoin holding around this range, but this 10-minute shooting star was like ew. And the volume on it, the volume backing up that candle, yeah, it kind of murdered the whole bull thing vibe going on. How's the 12-hour chart? I haven't checked that out. Let's see now. So far, so good. Really, I've seen, yeah, so far, so good. Look, we have nothing that's stopping us. You see, we really could go all the way here. As long as we don't roll over and get back in this channel here, we could go higher. But this doesn't mean we are in a bullish trend just because we go back to this area. I mean, we have a lot more upside movement to do before we can say that. Yeah, Ethereum is gonna come back down. How far? Well, let's see how far. On the hourly, we can come, yeah, we can come back to retest this line somewhere here. This is the golden pocket, but somewhere here it's very possible we can retest it. We have a little bit of support here too, but that's the hourly. And if we break the line, if we break this and we don't hold somewhere here, we don't hold somewhere on in this area, yeah, more to come. But for me to be completely bullish on Ethereum, we need a 4 hourly close above 20,100. It's just like yesterday when I said for me to be a bit more bullish yesterday, we had to close above 1,917. And that's what we did. We actually opened right there, I think. Yep. And it's been fine. It's been so that's the way I look at things. And following these steps have been very helpful for me. Just try it out. You guys can try it out yourselves and paper trade. Best way to learn always. %, 2.5% pullback in 3 hours and 30 minutes. This shooting star was horrible. Anyone who saw this one must have gotten out on this candle probably, just to be safe. Yeah, guys, we broke out of this resistance here, this part, okay? Next is somewhere here, and then next somewhere here. So when I say somewhere here, look, from we've already broken out from this 30,717 range. I mean, we've been stuck there for a good while. Every time we went up there, we went back down. Now next resistance, in my opinion, is around between 34.3 and 34.6 somewhere. and next resistance around 35,800. And the pullback continues. We should have support for Ethereum around 1930. We shouldn't go below. If we look at the 10-minute chart on Bitcoin, short term, for the people who try short-term trading, it shouldn't be going below 30,800. I mean, some type of stop loss should be here, because if it does, because for the 10-minute chart, this is some type of support there. If it goes below that area of, let's say, 30,800, yeah, probably more downside to come. I think I've spoken about all these scenarios now. 12 hourly, weekly, monthly is closing tomorrow. Monthly is closing tomorrow, and we'll see what happens. This is the monthly. Yeah, as you can see, I had a line here. This was a pretty old line that I drew a long time ago. And after we rejected twice in this area, it was time to get out. But we did held a support here and here. But we got rejected when he tried to get back in the descending triangle. Anyways, monthly, you see there is no support whatsoever until somewhere here. It's right by this moving average here. Sorry guys, I've been talking for a good while now, that's why my throat is a bit dry, but I'm gonna go get some water again. And you see this ugly volume on the monthly. But if there's good news, yes, there is. As long as we don't come below these prices here, MACD is showing bullishness. Long term. Now, if we go back to the short term, it's not the same story. Okay, guys, maybe I'll try to stay on for half an hour more, but I think I've discussed most of the points that I wanted to share with you guys. Luna is up. New Luna, Luna point 2, Luna 2.0, or so many names. God. Anyway, Luna, new one, is 41% up right now for no reason at all. Is Bitcoin pullback over? Sideways action gone? Well, this indicates we're gonna be continuing to the upside on the 10-minute chart. Candlesticks are good are a good way to start with learning trading. I mean, all those, for example, all those bullish candlesticks like Three White Soldiers and Abandoned Island and Marubuzu and Harami, bullish engulfing. All these are good to know, as well as when it comes to the bearish ones, like the shooting star, the one I showed you right here in this chart. Even though it's a 10 minutes, it's a very good example. We have a gravestone doji that I showed you last time in one of the streams. Um, there's also a bearish Harami. There's also a bearish abandoned island. Um, and the opposite of three white soldiers is the three crows. So there are a lot of things that are good to know. I have that. It took me years to like understand them and kind of save them in my memory. All those combined with everything else like trend lines and the Fibonacci and moving averages, it it does minimize your risk of making wrong decisions when it comes to trades, which is very important. Bitcoin is not doing that bad right now. It's holding out. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna be here just like 20 minutes more, and I'm gonna be ending the show. We are having the pullback right now. It's still funny how that happened like 5 minutes or 10 minutes before I started saying a pullback is coming. But it wasn't funny. Like, this is the thing. This this was not a nice thing to see. So, and then we have the hourly, which is showing me some weakness, both on the MACD. No, just on the MACD. Our size okay, but it was very oversold, very, very oversold. Very oversold on the 4 hourly as well. That was why I was expecting a pullback. On top of that, we are at the 38.2 range. We haven't broken it yet, and it's a very important range to break and bounce off for us to feel a bit safe in a long position, for example. Now, I'm not saying I'm in a long position. I'm just saying if. So we are pulling back. If I was in a trade right now, I would have like been happy because this was telling us all. And 10, 15 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes before I said it, no, after I said it, we started pulling back. Now the question is the upper side of the channel that we broke out from gonna hold, or are we going all the way here? Because otherwise, looks like if we break those two ranges, we're gonna be coming back to the hard line around this moving average short term. So best scenario would be if we just bounced off this parallel channel. Like if we get back in, yeah, I don't know. It's probably gonna be this range again. This buy sell, which is a trader's heaven, so it's okay. But for the hodlers and the ones who would like to see Bitcoin go up a bit more, it's important we hold. We already got a good sign where we went above this line and we closed above it, I think. We closed at 31.7. Perfect. Which is bullish, but the pullback was expected. Oversold. This is not good. Sorry. Like, this price range is higher, and look at this. And this, I don't like this. I do not like this. So yeah, we're not out of this bear market. We are having a relief rally though. A nice one. Look, what I'm saying is pullback was imminent right now because we were oversold. Volume is not too super nice to say so. I mean, it's okay, but there's been better days. Well, that was not supposed to happen, sorry. Here we go. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get some water. I'm gonna keep it on the hourly just to keep a closer eye on it, on the action. So, I'm just gonna grab some water and be back. Guys, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss notifications for the next stream. And I will be back in a few minutes. Hey guys, I'm back. Bitcoin, yep, pullback, sideways, as expected. It looks good so far. It's very, very important for us to stay above the heart line at least. And we'll be okay then. If it manages to do that, it's not bad. All this information I'm sharing with you guys, it took me such a long time to learn. Very, very, very long time. And you guys maybe realize I'm not just going through one time frame, I'm going through all of them. So, you know, people can learn, we can learn, like, I'm sharing my knowledge about how you can look at the chart on the 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame. Like, you don't go trading, you you don't go trading a daily chart if you were looking at an hourly chart. You understand what I mean? That would be difficult. If you're looking at the hourly time frame, then make sure you're also trading by an hourly time frame. It was so oversold on the hourly, very, very much. It had to have a little bit of a breather. But what matters is this engulfing candle right here. It's a nice one. Let me hide everything so we can see it clearly. You see? A very nice one. But so far, honestly, it's looking like a nice type of bull trap. Remember this when I started the stream? Let me refresh and see how it's looking now. Oh, still the same. Okay. Oh, okay, so they just updated. Okay, so it's not fresh, because this is daily. Let me check one thing. I will be needing a minute. There we go. I thought this one looks much more better than the other one. Let's look at the hourly. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, waves was looking good. Let's look at waves. It was up like 56% or something yesterday. Wow. Let me remove drawings. This was nice. Yeah, that was pretty bullish sign on the MACD. And how about the RSI? Yeah, yeah. Okay. Target $12, 12.6. If we go higher, yeah, we'll see after that. But for now, it looks bullish. Wave looks bullish. Nice volume coming in. But we are very oversold on the 4 hourly. Yeah, RSI is oversold. So I wonder if it could go all the way to 12 and something, around 12 somewhere there. But I think a pullback is coming very, very, very soon because this is too oversold. We are not at, or are we? Just a moment. Okay, maybe we can go just like to around 10. If we break 10 higher. But I was looking at the daily. Yeah, this is the 4 hourly. Let's say around 10 somewhere. We're close to profit taking levels. Volume is high. We are very oversold. We should be turning, like we should be having a pullback soon, very, very soon. Yeah, we have resistance here around 11.8 to be exact. Let's just say from 11 to around 12, like I said last time. But people will be taking profits here too. 10.9. but a pullback is due, guaranteed. I mean, not guaranteed, guaranteed like that. Do your own research. But I mean, it just feels it's just like, look at this. We are at 90 something. Even though volume is good and stuff, we should be having a pullback now soon. I think so. We did break out of this resistance, fine. Around $8.02. Back to Bitcoin. Near 2.1% on the hourly. On the daily, since the day started, it's up like 6%. Okay, more like 7%. What's going on here? Let me just is the bottom in for near? Yeah, nothing bullish on the MACD, neither on the RSI. I don't know when I drew this line. Must have been somewhere off stream a while ago. But we were holding a support, broke out of it, and we are above it now. How far can we go? Looks good on the daily. Hmm. soon close to profit taking levels here too. So guys, to summarize it all up, I think we'll have a little pullback. We might test this line and bounce higher. If not, we could be looking to go lower, somewhere back into the range again, around the hard line, maybe as support like here. If not, we're going all the way back down here. And if we break this, we'll see next what happens. I don't know. But the market changes every minute. So I might not have the same opinion in like a few hours when it comes to it still being in a bear trend. For example, if I'd come back and see the chart like at around $50,000. So anything can happen, of course. But right now it looks like it's wants to breathe, pullback time. It did a lot today. So guys, thank you for joining me. Like I said, most of the people who watch the stream have not subscribed, even though they come back and watch the other streams. So don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell button, and comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you think we're in a bear trend and it's over, if we bottomed out, or if we're going higher. Let me know. Let me just check waves for a minute. Waves. There it is. I did say a pullback should be coming, but I did also mention this golden pocket area that we might go back there and pull back. People taking profits. And if we go higher, we're gonna go to around 12. We break that, and then we can discuss that later. But right now, I just want to see if what I was thinking earlier is about to happen. Golden pocket. People always buy here. Sell here. Let me check the 10 minutes. Touched it on point right now. Let me check Bitcoin too real fast. New hourly candle has started. Is the pullback over, or We're going sideways, probably. That's what we're doing. Yeah. We might just go sideways. But right now, it looks like we're going sideways right now. Back to waves. Let's see the 1 minute. Look at this. Look at this 1 minute chart. People taking profit, like I said. Pullback came. Wow. Okay. Well, anyone that was trading waves must have had a good day, and these two nice, this doji right here and this candle after that, it was a nice signal to jump in, probably not jump out. At least this was a nice signal. On top of that, we saw this too, this divergence here and here. Let me go. There you go. Nice divergence, nice doji. Everything indicated for a reversal, and it happened. Let me check if we had. Yeah, we went very, very low. Yeah, guys, looks like we're holding for now. So, thank you for being with me. And like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the bell button. See you tomorrow, as usual. I'll try to make some shorter videos if anything special happens. And I cannot stream from my mobile yet, apparently, because I must have more than 50 subscribers. Um, but I'm gonna try to make a short stream if anything special happens. Take care till then, and bye.